Okay, I'm going to make a quick video just reviewing how we make our animations in Movie Maker. So the first thing we're going to do is get our photos or our pictures that we've drawn in Paint. And then we need to put them in the order that we want them. So we'll just drag it down, drag it around. Move this here. Alright, and by default the duration of each slide is going to be, or each picture is going to be 7 seconds, so we need to change it quickly if we wanted to make it look like they're bouncing around. Alright, so you can either go one by one and change it to about half a second or whatever you want it to be to match your song, or you can hold down the control button on your keyboard to select more than one at a time. So I've selected all, and now in the duration area I can type in 0.5, and that's going to set the duration for all of it. Alright. So from here I'm just going to copy I'm going to hold down the control key again, select them all. I'm going to copy, click on the very last picture, paste, do the same thing over, click on the very last picture, paste, very last picture, paste. If I click on the first picture and hold down the shift key, then click on the last picture, it'll select all of it. I can copy and paste. And of course you're going to have more pictures than I have. This is just for my example. But paste. Right, so I've got my animation going here. And I'm going to take these two right here and just paste these two slides over and over again. So it looks like he's doing a little dance. Alright, next thing we need to do is go ahead and get our music. Add the music in. And now my song, I know, doesn't start for 8 seconds for some reason. So what I need to do is double click on my music and set my starting point to 8 seconds. And there it starts. I want it to fade in, so I'm going to add a medium fade in, so it fades in just kind of slowly. And I want it to fade out real slow at the end. Next thing we need to do is add our title. So here you put your title. You can double click this to change the background colors, the duration, make that 4 seconds. Change the background color to whatever you want. Change your title to whatever, so your title is just going to be the title of the song. What is it? And I'm not, just to save time, I'm not going to do all this, but you can change the font style and colors, right? After that, we're going to go down to the end of our project. We're going to add credits to the end, and here you're going to put drawn by or illustrated by. Your name, okay. And up here you can also choose how you want the credits to appear. I kind of like to make it look like it's scrolling up. Alright, last thing I'm going to show you is your animations and visual effects. Animations are how your slides appear. I don't recommend using these if you have things that are only on the, like this is only on the screen for a half a second, so your animation is going to be too quick to even notice. But what is cool is your visual effects. You can add visual effects to each set. So I'm going to add this whole line right here. I'm going to shift and click to select all of them, or control click each one. And I'm going to add a visual effects to all of them. So let me just add something cool to make it flip. Now if I come here and watch, Alright, so if I control click, I can control click them all again, and if I want to take off the animation, I just go up to the empty one and put none on there. Okay, make sure you're not applying all, and my advice is to use these type of animations only where it fits the song. Don't try to put one on every single slide. It might not work out for you. Alright, and the last thing you're going to do is on the home, when you're all finished, you'll go to the save movie, and then save movie for computer. You'll put your initials and final, and this is going to save the movie into a MP4 format so that you can play it on the computer without this program, or you can upload it to YouTube to share. Okay, that's all there is to it.